Do you feel confident?
Confident, sana, oo, in a way. Pero syempre, you also have to prepare yourself for disappointments. Hindi naman ako yung tao na that always thinks of the pros. Syempre, you always have to think of cons.
Ma'am, ano po naging impact sa inyo ng campaign? You're a first-time politician po, di ba?
Actually, I enjoyed the journey so much. Meeting new people, lalo na nalalaman mo kung ano yung mga kalagayan ng mga tao at minsan na nakaka-relate ka kasi once upon a time na pagdaanan mo rin yung mga pinagdadaanan ng mga tao sa lalo na sa laylayan. Nationwide, um, okay naman, no? Syempre, we're choosing new leaders ulit for the Senate lalo and then sa mga party list. And syempre dito sa local. So, okay naman, no ano naman.
Ma'am, I'll have to ask lang po some things na napulot namin sa social media. No? So, meron pong kumalat last night na yung actually publicity material po from your camp na yung babawiin daw ba ni Sara Vizcaya yung kanyang ginastos sa kampanya. At ang sabi po din sa post ay babawiin pero sa ibang paraan. Ano po yung ibig sabihin niyo doon?
Ako? Ako
Opo.
nag-post nun?
Ay hindi, yung Ate Sara Kabataan
Oh,
group
so you
po.
see, it's not me that directly posted things like that, no? So this is black propaganda. Somebody must have done it for me. Pero yung every time I go down to explain myself na babawiin, kayo po ba? Pag nagbigay kayo ng regalo, binabawi niyo po ba? And pangalawa, syempre, the good Lord has given me and my family good health. Okay na ako doon. Hindi naman ako greedy kasi nobody knows my personality eh. Okay na ako. So yung babawiin, it's not in my
May
vocabulary.
clarify po sa group po na campaigning for you
Okay, yung campaigning for me, pero you see, I don't always, ano yan, yung sumasang-ayon sa lahat ng mga post kasi hindi ko naman alam yung post na yan eh. Ever since na ako run for a position, I stopped using my social media.
Okay po ma'am, another question po. The question I've been trying to ask you is, pagka po natuloy kayong maging mayor and gagawin na po yung infrastructure projects na pinangako po ninyo, just for the record po, will St. Gerard participate in them?
No, definitely not. That's a question that I really don't get. Kasi under RA 9184, no, bawal mangontrata up to the third degree. Sumusunod naman tayo eh. Oo.
I'm not sure if you're allowed to answer these comments, but do you have any comments after the public filed against your opponent?
I no comment.
Whatever the results, will you be reaching out to Mayor Vic?
I actually, nung Grand Caucus namin, sinabi ko sa mga, interviews ng vloggers po, may best man win, no? I am willing to congratulate or shake the hand of the winner. Madidisappoint ako that I didn't win kung sakali. Pero at the end of the day, winner pa rin ako. Bakit? Unang-una, no, guys, pumayat ako. Isang pangarap ko na mula bata pa ako, gusto ko mamayat. Pangalawa, madami akong taong nakilala at natulungan. So, dun, masayang-masaya na at dun ang ano ng puso ko. So, win or lose,
Okay, last question ha. Is,
Topic of the Dotong, ano po yung pinaka-challenging itong campaign, lalo na first time positive po yun?
challenging sa campaign. Yung meet and greets, caucuses, house to house. Siguro yun yung pinaka-challenging sa akin is parang wala eh. No, nagampanan ko naman lahat kasi it's a new experience for me. Yung sarili ko, excited ako makilala mga tao, whether or not na they accept me. Pero natutuwa naman ako na every household, every person, accepting naman and nakipagkamay.
Ma'am, yung People's Day po, babalik natin kasi yan po ang wala sa Pasig.
Definitely, we will bring back People's Day kung sakasakali tayo ipalari ng bawat Pasigenyo. Kasi kung kami lang magre-release sa sarili naming resources, it's not enough. The people need to speak and I want to be a leader that lets people speak para sa kanila yan.
okay, thank you very much.
Thank